How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. So came out to the field just to give the Spark a real flight test and go through some of the flight modes and see whether or not it really is capable of shooting some decent video with the 1080-30 camera. But I wanted to do a short video to kind of go over some other little trick that I found out, and actually one of you guys pointed this out to me, so give me a second here. Let me go out and find this guy's name. Hey, Gareth 5000 actually. He sent me a little comment on one of my videos about the bad connection between the Galaxy S7 and the DJI Spark, saying that I could use this USB from the controller to the phone to get better signal. And at the time I hadn't seen it. It's been out for 2 days, but you guys figured it out and I tried it and it actually worked. I'm going to walk you through it real quick, and just to get this preset up, let me turn off my Wi-Fi just so I can show you that it works. I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off. And I don't know if you can see that, if you can focus on it, but in the top, this corner here, you can see that there's no Wi-Fi signal. So give me a second here and let me get this all plugged in. And now I'm going to go into DJI Go 4. I'm going to launch it. It's taking a second. You can see right here, it tells you I have no connectivity, right? Because I don't have my Wi-Fi turned on and it's not connected to the drone directly. So, I came out with the same gear from using the OTG receiver. You got your data transfer cable and you got your OTG plug. But in this situation, usually this OTG goes into the phone. You're going to plug the OTG directly into the remote. So I'm going to plug that in. Okay. And now, when I plug this in, I'll come back up so you can see it. You should get that little connectivity beep. There you go. So you see that it just connected. And as you can see here, when there's a little bit of reflection, it now says connected, go fly. So if I hit that button, it should launch. And there you go. You can see it now, I am connected. I'll turn this out to the field so you can see I am connected to the aircraft. So here's what I found out about this. I've been having so much problems with DJI Go 4 and the Spark. In fact, I had problems before the Spark. I had problems with the Mavic, so I had so many problems I just stopped using it altogether and started using my iPhone. In the short period of time that I've been using this, which is about, I would call it a flight, because if you've seen my previous video, I actually crashed into a tree with it. I had no connectivity issues. Before using the dongle and the cable, every 30 seconds or so, you would get a signal drop on your FPV, on your display, and then you would get a little warning that said craft not connected. Since I've been using this, I have not seen a craft not connected, and in fact I've been using this for about a minute and a half now. I've got 14 satellites broadcasting at 5.8 gigahertz frequency, and it is ready to fly. And this is another way to ensure that you have a good connection. From what I've read or what I've seen so far, it also ensures that you get further distance because you're not losing your signal directly to your phone as easily now that it's piped in directly. And then I'm not sure why. I don't know why DJI did not put this in their instruction manual. It's like a hidden backdoor secret that someone found out, and I don't know why DJI did that. That's just an excellent way to keep people from losing their aircraft. It works, guys. Now here's the only downside to it, and I'll show you in a second. When you plug this in like this, and I might have to see if I can find a different cable for this with a right angle on it. So the only downside about this, and get my OTG plugged back in, is that when this is plugged in and you got this cable sticking in the side like this, if I can get it plugged in there, it's kind of hard to get in for one, and then once you get it in, now it sticks out the side and it's in a very awkward position. Like I got to get the cable between these two fingers like this, and for me it just feels awkward to kind of reach up and grab this, and depending on how high the phone is mounted, I feel like I could accidentally pull this out that way, and I've tried different grips to try to, maybe even a grip like this to try to do it. Now you're way down here. I think I might try to find a way to fix that by getting a cable that can run behind, like the cable that comes with the Mavic, that runs kind of behind the grip here and at a 45-degree angle, so that I can go directly into it without having to come out through the side. And that would be the quick fix for that. So that's all I wanted to show you guys on that, is how to directly connect to your phone from your Spark. And again, I just hit enter, and then you probably can't see it. It entered immediately. Connectivity is very, very fast with this, and probably save you the heartache of losing your drone because it lost connectivity to your Android phones. Seems to work good. This is the best I've seen DJI go for work for an Android phone since I've had it. I had to switch from it and use Lychee. I've had to switch from it and use other devices, and like I said, eventually I just said, you know what, I'm not even going to risk it. I'm going to go strictly to my iPhone to fly. But I like to be able to use my Android phone because I can do direct screen recording, and I can't do that on the iPhone without bringing a laptop out here and plugging in and doing a lot more to get it to work. So this is a good workaround. I'm going to try to do some flight like right now, and I'm going to actually be recording my screen. So again, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting the vlog. Hopefully this helps you out. I'll get back to you soon with some more videos now that I've gotten a little bit deeper into the Spark, and hopefully I will have more information on how I think it compares to other DJI drones soon. I'll talk to you later. Bye.